Hey guys, Rob here at Tailgate Trail. Today we're going to do a brake light bulb replacement on an 09 to 16 Toyota RAV4. This is going to work the same for most vehicles, but we're going to do it on this one. Why? Because we have one. And we're going to do an LED bulb upgrade. So let's see if we can do another 3-minute video with a production quality higher than a 2 out of 10 this time. Peter, editor. Let's get into it. Alright, so first thing I just want to point out, on the left we have an LED bulb, on the right we have good old incandescent. I do like the sharpness of an LED bulb, so that's all we're going to be doing today. So first thing, need access to this. We're going to pop the hatch and get inside. Good time to take an inventory of your tools. We'll need a 10mm, you might need a 12 or 14 depending on the vehicle, but for this specific Toyota you'll need a 10. Old bulb, LED bulbs, new bulbs. Now, I'm going to point out real quick something funny. 30,000 hours working bulb. This is a AUXLIGHT product. They're fine, they've worked before. But only a 1-year warranty, where there's 8,700 hours in a 1 year. So you're never going to have a warranty claim because of the lifespan meeting anywhere close to here, but not quite. Whatever. All right. What do we got? 2 10mm. Let's take them out. All right. 10mm are out. No, now they are. The only thing that's still holding this in is pretty common. Push clips. Just in here. So we're going to pull the light away from them. And be careful of our paint. Oh, that needs a clean. So I'll clean that up. In the meantime, take note of your bulb positions. So we got turn signal on the bottom, got brake or tail light on top, turn signal on the bottom, brake and tail light on top. We are going to try to do this without destroying our lovely paint. Twist, remove. Here's your bulb. Careful, it can be hot. And just get your fingers in between the two. Right apart. So pro tip, when you're installing a bulb, especially LED or otherwise, you want to make sure before you do all that work of putting this back together that the bulb works. I recommend LED bulb, socket, simply boom, we know it works. And then follow the pattern, line up tabs, or just simply, there we go, twist and lock it in place. And then these are going to go back in. All right. Quick tighten. Everything back in reverse as it should be. 2 bulbs are good. Tail light's firmly in place. Voila! Oh, that's looking spicy. Oh, yes. Alright, well, those are some bright lights. Well, that's it for today's episode. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below and tell us about your experience with LED bulbs, or perhaps just bulbs in general. So, for now, I'm Rob, and this is Tailgate Trail. Thanks again for joining us, and we'll see you next time.